So, your earth science teacher gave you an online assignment where you have to draw a line on a map or a graph in a Word file because they just do way too much? Shh, please. It's easy. Check it out. I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open your Word file using the desktop app. So click right up here at the top middle of your screen. It's going to ask you if you really want to open Word, and you're going to click Open Word because, yeah, I do want to open Word. When your file opens, scroll down to your image, and you're going to notice up here on the Tools menu, you now have this tool called Draw, which you didn't have in Word Online. You're going to click on that, boom. And you got all kinds of fancy pens to use here. Highlighters, pencils, markers, all right, customizable pens. I'm feeling fancy today. I'm going to use the Galaxy pen. In order to customize it, I'm going to click on this little arrow right here, and boom, this opens up. I can change the thickness of the pen. I'm going to make it kind of thick so you guys can see it. I can change the color. Am I feeling magenta today? Am I feeling green today? Or am I feeling some kind of special effect? I think I'm feeling some kind of special effect. Since we're in our astronomy unit, I'm going to use the Starry Night feature. And then you're going to click on this arrow again to close this drop-down menu. Go to your map. You want to draw the 2.0 Richter ISO line. Just click your left button and drag. And draw it just like you would if you were writing on a real piece of paper. Connect all your points of equal value, and boom. And that's how you do it. Good luck.